And then yung tanong ng previous hearing, yung bang promeso na may mga opisina dapat doon ng DOLE, ang PNP, nagawa ba yun o physical structures pala?
Right now po, sir, there is a physical structure and we are threshing out the details po nung pagpwesto nila doon because...
So, may nakapwesto na in process pa?
Wala pa pong nakapwesto, Mr.
Tama.
Paki-mute yung isang resource person online. Salamat po. Please proceed, sir.
So, merong commitment na magkakaroon na ng mga DOLE.
Yes, sir. Right now...
You're satisfied with that?
Apa.
Yes, San Francis.
Because I'll be presiding over a Blue Ribbon Committee hearing. I've been multitasking. 4 na committee ho itong papalik-balik ako ngayon. I'm sorry. If I can just...
Yes, please proceed. Just to say that the chair is interested on the timetable that PAGCOR is requiring yung integration ng mga government offices na iyon na tinatanong namin ni San Francis dun sa Island Cove. Please proceed, San Francis.
So, may commitment, kailan po yun magkakaroon? Satisfied kayo, di ba?
Right now po, ano pa lang po sila, ang naging update po is inspection po yung mga offices na yon, tingnan kung ano po yung itsura ng lugar kung saan po sila ipupwesto, and tinithresh out pa po yung manpower kung nailalagay po doon, at mga kagamitan na kailangan po nila para po pumwesto sila doon.
Thank you.
So, kailan po mangyayari na po itong lahat?
I believe by August 2023, magkakaroon na po tayo ng mga offices.
This month.
Salamat. Please proceed, San Francisco.
Karagdagan akong tanong, Madam Chair, siguro I'll be shifting back again to the Philippine National Police. Ito pong pinag-uusapan natin, human trafficking. Pinag-uusapan din natin ng cybercrime. Meron po ba tayong datos that can be shared to this committee aside from the raid that was conducted, aside from the video footages? Meron po ba tayong datos sa cybercrime that a cybercrime, yung cybercrime, whether it is cryptocurrency or what, emanated from that place and projected to another place, consummating a crime? Meron po ba tayo na? Kung overseas man yan, meron po ba tayong na-track na ganon?
In our forensic, in the conduct of the forensic examination, we gathered some evidence that there were cases, especially in the United States, in China. But the exact number or the statistics as to how many cases were perpetrated by this POGO entities.
What I'm referring to, John, is this. Was there a footprint of a cybercrime committed here in the Philippines emanating from, Sun Valley or that Las Piñas hub na naka-consummate sa ibang lugar, either in the Philippines or outside the Philippines? Kasi may grupo kayo ng cybercrime units worldwide. Meron na bang na-report sa inyong ganon? Kanina, China, United States, meron na bang sa atin nagmula? Kasi ang sinasabi natin, nagiging hub ito ng cybercrime. Meron na bang ganon?
It was just an intel report given to us by our counterpart from other countries that the perpetrator or the suspects are from our country.
From our country?
Yes, sir.
Would that follow that dito galing sa Clark at doon sa Las Piñas? Doon ba? Na-detect na ba yun?
One report given, actually it's not a written report, it was just relayed to us by our counterpart.
It is
in 2 cities in China, Your Honor. There are a lot of cases, cybercrime cases, scams. And they traced the
source is
in Las Piñas, Your Honor.
So, more or less yung Las Piñas.
Yes, Your Honor.
What about the other, itong Clark?
In Clark, Your Honor, we don't have any report.
Wala record sa Clark. Alam nyo, kaya sinasabi ko to, Madam Chair, looking beyond the alleged confines of what we are tackling today, siguro dapat makita rin natin kung saan yung naging epekto kung may cybercrime ba talaga nagmula. And if you go on a micro analysis likewise, I'm not defending anybody here, I might even congratulate and commend the Philippine National Police. Kung pupuntahan naman natin yung micro, sa datos ko, wala lang akong datos wala na si General Kraft sa Las Piñas. Sa datos ko po ngayon, doon sa Pampanga, if I'm not mistaken, sino kayo makakasagot? May RD ba tayo ng 3 dito? Wala. PD of Pampanga. Wala rin. Baka mali itong datos ko. But with your permission, Madam Chair, ito po yung hawak-hawak kong datos. Gusto ko ngayon makita yung relationship ng isang operation gaya ng sa Clark o sa Las Piñas doon sa outside ng confines ng kanilang compound. Halimbawa, sa datos ko po ngayon for the period of January 1, 2023 to March 31, 2023, doon lang sa area, sa Apalit, Pampanga, 0 homicide. Sa Arayat, Pampanga, 0 homicide. Ang tinutukoy ko po ngayon, mga index crimes sa mga kaibigan natin sa pulis. Gusto kong malaman anong relasyon ng index crimes doon sa operation ng isang pogo. So, tinitingnan ko ngayon yung datos ko, ang mga index crimes natin, homicide, physical injury, rape, murder, carnapping, etc. and theft. So, sa Apalit, 0, Arayat, 0, Bacolor, 0, Candaba, 0, Florida Blanca, 0, isa lang ang merong homicide, Lubao, Mabalacat, 0. Saan ba tong Clark? Saan to? Saan ang? Angeles. Mabalacat is 0, Magalang 0, Mexico 0. So, ang total sa Pampanga, homicide, 4 for 1 quarter. Ang physical injuries, 14. Gusto kong ma-determine, may nagsuntukan ba doon sa loob ng hub? May report ba doon na nag-away-away? Nagkaroon ng upsurge of crime inside a pogo hub. Sa datos ko sa Pampanga, 14 ang physical injuries. Hindi ko alam kung hub-related ito. Sa robbery, 15. Hindi naman siguro nagnakawan doon sila. So, if the Philippine National Police can provide details, makakatulong sa committee. As we study all of this, including the cyber crime-related incidents which General Hernia just confirmed, wala naman nag-emanate sa Pampanga. Sa theft, sa carnapping, 4 motor vehicles. Motorcycles, 12 for 1 quarter. Ito yung report ng Pampanga Police, Provincial Police Office. I'm getting now the report of the Las Piñas. Yung ban sa Las Piñas, because of the operations of the Pogo, dumami yung nakawan doon sa labas ng kanilang compound. Wala pa akong report kasi nga na-promote na ata si General Kraft, hindi iba na ata regional director na ba 'yon? So wala, magkakaroon din ako noon. So what I'm saying is this. There is an interrelation between the index crime that happened outside the compound and those that happen inside the compound because of the operations of Pogo, and even those that happen because of the alleged cybercrimes. But apparently, sa ngayon, wala. Tama ba ako doon, General Hernia? Wala relasyon? Nagnakawan ba ng motorsiklo dahil sa natalo sa Pogo? Nagkaroon ba ng suntukan doon sa labas dahil sa Pogo? Ano yung effect nito? Because this has to be part of the committee report. Yeah. The social implications outside the confines of a Pogo hub. Kung wala, ang balik tayo doon sa ating tinutukoy ngayon, doon na lang sa loob ng hub. Yung human trafficking, paano nakapasok itong mga ito. Narinig ko na naman kanina yung Myanmar na na-rescue na, bumalik uli. Sinabi ko na yun during the last hearing. This will be recurring. So, anong sagot mo doon, General Hernia?
Your Honor, we don't have yet a study if the peripheral places outside the hub, if there is really a correlation with the existence of the hub and the downtrend or uptrend of crime in the periphery. So as of now, Your Honor, we don't have a study on that.
So kung mababa ang crime sa Pampanga, baka walang effect siya. Wala naman sigurong effect doon sa crime sa Pangasinan yon. Wala namang effect sa crime sa La Union, di ba? Malayo-layo na yon, di ba? So, Madam Chair, the reason why I'm raising this is that this representation is suggesting that part of the committee report should likewise, nakikinig ang DSWD here, should likewise include the social implications. Was there an upsurge of crime? May mga naghiwalay na bang mag-asawa dahil dito di ba, sa involvement dito? May mga lumabas ba tong mga Chinese nationals dito para magnakaw ng kotse naman doon sa mga kabilang munisipyo? So these are all interrelated, but as of the moment, wala po tayo nakita. Yung lumabas siguro sa video sa Las Piñas na nagbarilan sila ba yon? O pumunta sila sa ibang lugar para makipagbarilan, or
I have not seen that
ayun na
video,
nga,
Your Honor.
so
Nakita ko kanina, Sen. Francis, at yung tanong nga, bakit may putukan pa? Bakit naging ganong karahas?
Your Honor, there was a warning shot because of the
you're
riot
answering
na
yung
po. Yes.
kanina
Yes,
nangyari.
parang nagkaroon po ng riot.
What I'm saying is this. Kung merong increase ng index crime sa Las Piñas, siguro naman wala. Is this related to the operation of that compound? May relasyon ba?
As I have said, Your Honor,
Wala pa tayong
we
datos.
have not conducted a study on that.
Okay. And then, ang hihilingin ko siguro sa inyo, yung relasyon naman ng cyber crimes committed inside that compound, projected outside the compound, kung saan man makarating yon, pero ngayon wala tayong datos.
We cannot attribute crimes happening in other places or in some municipalities. We cannot attribute that to a Pogo hub. As of now, Your Honor.
Paano yung role ng anti-cybercrime group? Di ba, minomonitor nyo rin yon? Kung may scamming na, nagsimula doon sa lugar na yun, di ba kayang mamonitor yon?
In most cases, Your Honor, in this Pogo that we raided,
Confidential yung
Yes.
huwag mo na sabihin dito,
Yes.
pero may confidentiality ba to involved na
we have ongoing surveillance or should I say build up, because we really would like to know if these cybercrime cases happening in our country emanated from Pogo. But as of now, we have not established that.
Wala pa.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala pa.
So we're doing some surveillance activities and cyber forensic examinations, because we really would like to determine also if these cybercrime cases, especially the upsurge of cybercrime cases in our country, is or can be traced to existing Pogo in our country. But as of now, Your Honor, we don't have. We have not established that.
Thank you. Siguro mabigyan mo rin yung committee. But huli na lang po for the record, Madam Chair, for Las Piñas, the Las Piñas Police reported for the first quarter of this year, murder 2, homicide 0, physical injury 4, robbery 9, theft 4, for a total of 19 index crimes. Siguro, it would also be good on your part, General Hernia, to study a correlation between these 19 index crimes with the operation of that Pogo hub. Meron kaya? Kaya nitong homicide 0, physical nagsuntukan. Lahat ba nitong 19 crimes na ito nangyari doon sa loob nila? Probability, kahit ikaw si Sherlock Holmes, baka hindi. Diba, baka doon sa mga ibang barangay, di ba? Nag-away. It's part of daily living, and it's part of the challenges being faced by our police. So, yun lamang po, Madam Chair. I just want to have that placed on record. And I do hope General Hernia can provide this committee a copy of the correlation between cybercrimes committed within the jurisdiction of the Philippines, specifically the Pogo hubs, affecting non-Pogo residents. Kung meron o wala, provide this committee a copy. Maraming salamat po, Madam Chair. May pagkain na rito. I have to preside over a Blue Ribbon Committee. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat, Sen. Francis. Also for reminding everyone na, of course, pag